Small handguns are only legalized in a small number of countries worldwide. But imagine you had a choice to choose one for self-defense. Would it be a semi-automatic, revolver, or a single-shot pistol? Which one of the following finest be the perfect match for you? Number 8. S333 Thunderstruck Gen 2. Standard manufacturing from Connecticut developed S333 Thunderstruck Gen 2, a double-barrel double-action revolver. This unique firearm is unlike anything you have seen before. The Thunderstruck is chambered in .22 WMR with 8 rounds of capacity. It has a 1.5-inch barrel made of steel, 70-75 aircraft-grade aluminum frame with an anodized finish with a polymer grip. It weighs just 18 ounces, making it easy to carry and handle. The Thunderstruck has an integral articulated trigger safety and a transfer bar that blocks the firing pins from the hammers. This revolver also has a unique feature, firing 2 rounds with each pull of the trigger and all 8 rounds in 3 seconds. The S333 Thunderstruck is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, lightweight revolver. With its unique design and features, it's sure to impress you. Number 7. Micro 9 Triari. From Troy, Alabama brings you Kimber Micro 9 Triari, a compact, semi-automatic handgun with a low-profile black finish that is great for concealed carry. Its 3.15-inch stainless steel barrel makes it incredibly durable and reliable. The pistol also has a smooth and crisp trigger pull, making it easy to shoot accurately. Micro 9 also features an ambidextrous magazine release and low-profile 3-dot fiber optic sights, making it great for both left-handed and right-handed shooters. The pistol has a single-action firing system, so you can get off quick and accurate shots. Its sleek black Kim Pro 2 finish provides a durable protective layer, and its black micarta grips with engraved cube carvings and striplex patterns on the front strap give you a sleek and firm grip while firing. Overall, the Micro 9 is the right option for anyone looking for a sleek semi-auto pistol. Number 6. Bodyguard 38. Smith & Wesson M&P Bodyguard 38 revolver. This gun is an inordinate option for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable handgun. The M&P Bodyguard features a lightweight polymer frame, making it light to hold and carry. It features a pin black ram front sight, a 1.875-inch stainless steel barrel, and a 5-round stainless steel cylinder that's physical vapor deposition coated. It also has a one-piece polymer grip that makes it comfortable to grip and shoot. It also has a stainless steel slide with a corrosion-resistant coating, making it ultra-durable to wear and tear. So, if you're looking for a reliable, lightweight firearm for concealed carry and personal protection, the Smith & Wesson M&P Bodyguard 38 revolver is an excellent choice. It is easy to use and maintain, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to shoot. Number 5. 911 Compact. When seconds count for a fast draw and it's you or else, you'll be glad that Springfield Armory has got you covered. The 911 Compact 9mm is a perfect choice. Combining traditionalist design with modern materials, intuitive features, and superior handling characteristics, this hyper-compact pistol is the modern micro-sized take on the classic full-size 1911. The 3-inch 416 stainless steel barrel and lightweight aluminum frame offer uncanny accuracy for a gun of its size. The full-length guide rod, a smooth and crisp trigger pull, and a flat-wire spring recoil system make shooting and handling easy and comfortable. Less than 6-inch long and 4-inch tall, the 911 Compact blends into your daily life as seamlessly. So, if you're a hardcore classic gun enthusiast who just so happens to live in the 21st century, make sure to check out the 911 Compact. Number 4. GX4. Taurus Firearms' latest GX4 is a semi-automatic handgun designed for target shooting and self-defense. This 9mm Luger pistol features an 11-round capacity, a fixed front sight, and a drift-adjustable rear sight. It also has a single-action only trigger with a flat face and serrated design for better comfort and control. Plus, it has a unique takedown pin for easy disassembly for magazine and grip cuts for magazine stripping if needed. The magazine is also reversible release. The GX4 has a signature indexing and recoil management pad for improved aim and accuracy. The Taurus Optic Ready lets you mount your favorite optic without any gunsmithing. The Taurus GX4 is a great choice for target shooters, self-defense, and those looking for a reliable, comfortable handgun. Number 3. Switch Gun. Standard Manufacturing from Connecticut is back with a switch gun, a folding revolver chambered in the .22 Winchester Magnum. The size is smaller than your smartphone. Its stainless steel body with a comfortable polymer grip and 5-round capacity makes this mini spy firearm incredibly attractive. Plus, it features an easy-to-use switch for quick deployment. This folding revolver is the ideal self-defense gun for men and women. This folding revolver is so slick to carry in your pocket, back, or around your waist. You'll never worry about how to carry your firearm again. You know what they say, good things come in small packages. Number 2. 509 CCH. FN America brings you the 509 CCH, the next generations of FN handguns. This 9mm double-action pistol is packed with features to maximize accuracy and control. It has a mag capacity of 10, or 12, or 15 rounds and weighs just 25.5 ounces. The 4.2-inch barrel and 7.5-inch overall length make it ideal for concealed carry. The 509 CCH is designed for accuracy with a 1 to 10-inch RH twist rate, 5.41 inches sight radius, and a precision flat-face trigger. It comes with a patent FN low-profile optics mounting system and co-witnessing height fiber optic front sight. The lightning cut slide and auto-indexing compensator reduce muzzle size by 25% for better follow-up shots. For comfort and control, it has a stippled frame texture, interchangeable back straps, and the ability to add most MRDs and lights. An ambidextrous slide stop and a hammer-forged barrel with a target crown finish make it a reliable choice. Finally, the polished chamber and feed ramp ensure smooth cycling. The FN 509 CCH is the perfect pistol to carry the future. Number 1. XR920. Shadow Systems in Dallas has created the XR920. This crossover pistol is the perfect choice for both experienced and novice shooters. It features a 9x19 caliber with a striker fire action, and it's lightweight at only 23-ounce combat version and 22.4 ounce for the elite. The frame is made of textured polymer. The slide and barrel are made of 17N4 stainless steel and 416R stainless steel. XR920 frames features interchangeable back straps to allow a shooter to adjust the grip angle to fit their natural point of aim. The trigger pulse is 4.5 to 5 pounds with a capacity of 17+1. The front sight features a green outline and tritium dot, while the rear sight is black serrated. The XR920 is a perfect blend of the MR920 and DR920. No wonder this pistol was born out of a custom request for law enforcement. How cool is that? Subscribe.